how to reach unknown students from India. What do you mean unknown students from India? See, unless you ask right questions, you will not find right answers. So first question, then try to make that question, fine tune that question to make it a right question. Okay. So how to generate leads. Now that is the number one challenge of whether you are a solopreneur. I will not call freelancer. Okay. I don't like it. Okay. Solopreneur, Ipreneur. Okay. Or SME business owner. Okay. Somebody, a startup founder, or an SME business owner with a revenue of 50 crore, 100 crore, 10,000 crore revenue in millions, billions. It is the number one challenge of anyone who wants to generate some additional income, how to get leads. Okay. So you belong in that category, right? Yes, we will cover that. Okay, we will cover that. I had given one link to ask your questions. I still have it in the clipboard. Kindly ask your questions here. So my flow is maintained, and I will, and you are also typing the question straight away. Keep this. What you need to do is click on this link, open it in a new tab. It will open up in a new tab. Keep that form handy. And whenever the questions come to you, simply go and type the question, right? You can in this webinar also, you have a Q&A box. You can go and type it there as well, right? So you keep accumulating your questions. I will answer it, right? Because trust me, most of your questions will be answered in the way I am, because I have conducted more than 150 plus webinars so far, and have worked with more than 20,000 plus people. Run batches after batches for my 30-day challenge, and have a significant number of people on my personal consulting. And I've interacted with so many people, over 25,000, 30,000 plus knowledge givers only. So I understand there is a pattern in your challenges. Okay. So most of your questions will get answered in the content. If you still have anything left unanswered, I will take care of it. Right. So I will appreciate you putting your questions in that link or putting it in the Q&A box here. Who wants the key to success? Who wants to find this key to success or create this key to success? In that case, you must know how to powerfully communicate your business value. Okay. Ask powerful questions. You must get personal clarity on how to position yourself in this competitive marketplace. You must identify your growth blockers and what are the next immediate action steps you need to take now. Thank you, Jay. Thank you, Khalilji. Right? Right? Then unless you ask right questions, you will not find right answers. Right? So how to create high converting, sellable, profit-making content. How to make your content relevant. These are some of the questions you have to ask. How to generate leads organically, consistently, continually. Okay, with right strategies. How to structure your content. So the funnel system. Okay, how to make it, because the revenue model of knowledge business is, okay, is you must get repeat sales from your existing customers. There has to be an upsell after upsell. That is the revenue model. When somebody says, what is your business model? They're simply asking, how will you make money? In the knowledge business, okay, keeping on acquiring new leads. That is why generating leads is your challenge, because you are focused on acquiring new leads. The cost to acquire a new lead is much higher than the cost to retain your existing customers. So it is very important that there is an upsell built in for your existing customer, and you have to structure that in your content, in your courses, within the form of lead magnet, tripwire, core product, profit maximizer. This is a conversion strategy. This is a monetization strategy, which I covered in my KDM Foundation course, which I have given you. At that level, there is always a deeper level. Okay. And the KDM Foundation I have given you helicopter view of the complete business model. But if you like to go more deep, okay, and win before you begin, then I invite you to work with me very closely. Okay. Ask this question. Are you in the right environment for your growth? How can you do this without having to spend a fortune? Look at my investments in myself. You get all of that. You don't have to go and sign up for iTicket programs, right? How can you do all this all by yourself, or do you need a support system? Do you need a mentor guide to handhold you? Right? Ask these powerful questions. Only then you will find this answer, because by failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. And I don't want you to see there. I don't want you to be there, right? So stop thinking and start taking actions. If you have not completed the course which has been given to you, go ahead and complete that. And if you think if you are not able to complete that, then all the more you need help, because you don't have time to do it yourself. Even something which is already available with you, then you need step by step, structured, sequential hand holding, so that you can, every step you are taking is moving you closer towards the success you desire. So how many of you are now ready to create your knowledge business online along with me?